it's quite chilly with the aircon in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
I might actually try this on if I can find a tank top.
No, well, actually, I saw some over there.
Did you?
Yeah.
Should we go and try it on and maybe get the white tank top?
Okay.
Cool. Let's go. Hey, Jodie. What do you think of this?
I think that's gorgeous.
Yeah. I really like this, you know.
Really lovely.
I think it's perfect for what I'm looking for, you know. Covers the arms with the air conditioning and glimmers. I'm quite pleased with that.
Yeah?
Yeah, good. And it fits our budget.
Perfect.
Great.
Excellent. And just before the stores are about to close,